Morning, morning, pigeon family. This is Ham's Loft. It's at 7, well, almost 8 o'clock in the morning. Get ready to release the birds. It's a little cloudy, but the sun is out. You can see the little clouds right there. It's clear skies there. All right, we've been in the box for about 5 minutes. Like I said, it's almost 8 o'clock a.m. Supposed to be on my way to work, but I'm gonna go home and see how long it take them to come in. Appreciate everybody who made comments. Hawaiian Brian, Aloha Pigeons. I know you guys are like about 4 hours different. Stratus, appreciate your information, your comments. I'm gonna go ahead and let these guys go, and hopefully everything works out. Try to keep them in sight as long as I can. I'm about to say they've been in there about 5 minutes. They're a little restless. I'm not gonna lie to you, them guys are flying, man. What the hell? I'm trying to keep them in sight as long as I can. The damn sun's not out. And I can tell you right off the bat, they ain't going the right way, that's for sure. Before I had them in the exact same spot. I don't know if it's what it is, but I guess they know how to how to get home. So we'll see if they turn course. Okay, there you go. They turned around, so they know that's not the right way. I'm trying to find them. Shit, oh, there they go. There we go. Turning back around towards the lake. We're supposed to go over the lake. I see him. Yeah, I see him still. There they go. That's it. Now, if they come around this bend, hopefully I can get them. All right, I'm gonna put you on pause because I can't catch them, can't find them.
This is located right next to
I'm on my way home. Before I even got there, I got this pack of pigeons flying over my house.
Flights were impacted late last night for those who were flying in and out of here because this was so close to the sea. Part of the interstate in this area was also shut down as well. Stephanie?
It's actually
a tragic scene. Again, we know that 50 people are confirmed dead, over 400 taken to area hospitals.
It's actually 8:09 and they're already at the house flying around. I checked the miles. It's still, the miles was correct. 2.5 miles. I'm gonna put you on pause. I got one bird sitting on top of the roof, Mr. Lazy, I guess. And I had never seen him come down. Yeah, like I said, it's 8:09. I let them out right at 8 o'clock. I swear to God, they went the wrong way. And I don't know, well, I thought they went the wrong way, but obviously they went the right way. Because they're right here. The sun is coming out pretty clear. I'll try to get a count on them. Last time when they got in, they kept flying for about 20 minutes. I did have one blue bar. It's probably that guy. He landed on top of the telephone pole right there in front of my house, but nobody else did. He was the only one, so I got to get a good view of him and see what he looked like. But it don't make a difference. He's going right back in the kit, and they're gonna keep flying regardless of what he does. He'll get with the program sooner or later. One thing I wanted to ask is that when I don't feed them before they take off, and I do feed them when they get back. But I needed to know if anybody want to give me a comment about that. If some of them are late getting in, like last time I had 16 of them decide to come in and eat right away. Do I just feed, let them eat, or just barely give them a little bit of food just so that they have something that they can eat, and then try to give the other guys time to come in? Because my mentor said, hey, if he's slow, he blow. The first ones in is the first ones in, they eat, because I'm not going to be able to be here all the time when they coming in. I'm just able to be here this few times because the farther they go out, I'm not going to be here when they get in. So, anybody can comment on that one. Feed them a little bit first and then feed them a little bit more, or just say, hey, first come, first serve. Let me know. Still want to give a shout out to everybody out there. Tipplerman 266, Skywatcher, Don's Pigeons, CNC Loft, Health Flights. Sorry about your bird being sick. I wish you the best. I know you guys got a lot of knowledge up there. You're gonna get the birds back in great shape. Appreciate Juan Brian for that information. A little bit about that one-eye coal. I think that's what it's called. Never heard of it before, but that's just a learning thing for me. So I appreciate Health Flights, you letting us know about it from your birds, because that's something that I can actually start look for on my birds. If that's something that that definitely help me along the way. Aloha Pigeons, appreciate your comments as well. And like I said before, these guys flew home. Last time they stayed up for about 20 minutes or more. I'm not gonna keep recording that long. Hell, I don't want to look at it on the phone that long. So I know I damn sure know y'all don't want to look at it that long. But yeah, they are coming along. Somebody made a comment that it's a process. Well, it's my first time doing the homing pigeons. I always did flights, and they just always stayed around the house. If they disappeared, they just never usually came back. But homing pigeons, I don't care what anybody say, man, that is hell on wheels. And then I started late with the house and everything, getting the coop together. So, man, I feel for you guys who do it as a professional thing or do it as a serious thing. It's a hobby for me. I always have loved my flights. I'm going to get my flights back going. I do not think that I should push the issue. I was trying to get to the 100-mile race in October 14th, but I think I'm going to just scratch that, take my time with these homers, let them develop, use them for old bird season, And I think that'd probably be the smartest thing, and just take my time, move them further out, like everyone said. You know, double the distance after about the third try. Keep an eye on them, make sure they stay healthy. All right, got a few that just came down. So that means that they've been up for, I don't know. We looked at 8 or 9 when they first came in. Some of them are coming down right now. All right, brother. All right, Pigeon family, I appreciate everything. Still shouts out to all you guys. Thanks a lot. I'm probably gonna do another toss. This is toss number 5. I'm gonna toss them one more time. I'm not gonna record that one because I know we got bad weather coming in the next couple of days. When I go to the 5-mile toss, I'll probably record that one. But right now I'm at 2.5, and I'm definitely gonna go to the record on the 5-mile. I keep everybody in communications on that. I meant to lay out the feed so you can see what kind of feed I'm feeding them. I know I got pure grain for all those people who's got that. I think it's 16%. I removed most of the peas, all the peas out. I added more safflower, and I added sunflower seeds, and some raw peanuts. That's what I added to the mix. I'm actually need to take a picture of it the next time. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you do. Appreciate you. Thank you.